the intermediate course. My name is Conor O'Loughlin. I'm a concertina player from County Clare in the west of Ireland. I come from a small village in the north of Clare called Conifers, and Conifers is a well-known village for traditional music, and each March there is a traditional festival held there that attracts a lot of Irish traditional musicians from around the country and from the world, especially America and Europe. I began playing traditional music when I was 7 or 8. I come from a musical family, and my mother and brothers play music along with my cousins. I decided to start the concertina because my cousin Hugh Healy is a concertina player, and I often heard him playing at house gatherings and just loved the sound of it. So I started my lessons with Noel for a few years, and then moved on to Tim Collins. I then decided to further enhance my knowledge in traditional music and my playing, and I studied traditional music in University of Limerick in the Irish World Academy. So I graduated from there last year, and while there I met many musical friends, like-minded people, and I was lucky enough to be part of a band that travelled the world playing music at big festivals and different concert venues. We were called the Conifers, and we often toured the States and Western Europe. In this course, you'd expected to be able to play jigs, reels, hornpipes, that you had a very solid understanding of the concertina and the basics of how it works. In this course, we will be looking at jigs, hornpipes and a reel, while also looking at ornamentation and some chords. This ornamentation is to give you some idea of how it works and hopefully enhance your knowledge and that you will be able to implement them into different tunes at different points. Likewise with the chords, there'll be a short lesson on chords that will suit a tune that we're doing. These are just samples of chords and ornamentation, and again that you will be able to implement into tunes yourself. So I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson, and see you there.